Welcome upper elementary educators. Today we are taking a digital deep dive into Being a Reader, 2nd edition expanded, for grades 3 to 5. Being a Reader shifts the spotlight toward navigating complex texts and fostering deep student independence. We will use grade 4 materials as our primary walkthrough model, while calling out key structural features across the intermediate grades. The cornerstone of your kit is the Implementation Handbook. This is your comprehensive roadmap, providing a program overview, planning resources, and essential instructional supports. Be sure to explore your Implementation Handbook to fully understand each component of the Being a Reader program in order to best support your students. Let's start with whole class instruction. Your daily whole class instruction spans 7 units and seamlessly balances 2 essential paths, the reading strand and the word study strand. In the reading strand, lessons are built around interactive read-alouds from a highly curated collection of fiction and nonfiction tradebooks. These lessons focus on explicit strategy modeling, analyzing text structure, and close reading to explore authors' craft. Students use their student response books to record their deep thinking and reflections. The word study strand consolidates word analysis skills by focusing on morphology, including prefixes, suffixes, and roots, as well as syllable types and vocabulary building. This strand also includes guided spelling to help students apply their learning to their own writing. Students use the word study notebook for weekly spelling, word sorts, and vocabulary activities. Small group comprehension provides differentiated Tier 1 instruction to support development of reading skills and strategies and generating independent thinking. Depending on your grade level, you will receive between 9 and 15 different text sets, with 6 copies of each title. These lessons include explicit syntax and vocabulary instruction to help students untangle complex language. Furthermore, support for launching student-led book clubs is integrated into your small group manual to ensure a smooth transition to full student autonomy. For your English learner students, we provide the designated English language development component. Your digital-only manual provides daily 30-minute lessons designed to build into and from your whole class reading instruction. To maximize efficiency, these lessons use the exact same trade books your students are already discussing in class. Every student receives a print language notebook to support their oral language development and active participation. Assessment in grades 3 to 5 is exceptionally robust, with both print and digital options. At the end of each unit, students complete a reading comprehension assessment that integrates directly into your student progress assessment data. During whole class instruction, comprehension checks help you monitor basic understanding to inform your individualized daily reading IDR student conferences. In small groups, optional exit tickets offer immediate data on student comprehension. The Learning Portal is where your instruction truly comes to life. For whole class reading, lessons have been transformed into a dynamic lesson flow. With one click, you can pop up student-facing content for the whole class to see, keeping your instruction seamless and focused. This organizes your teaching into a clear step-by-step layout and embeds all ancillary resources, like projectables, reproducibles, and instructional media, directly where you need them. Included with your Being a Reader program is a subscription to CC-PAL. CC-PAL is a student-facing application built to be a targeted practice engine directly aligned to Being a Reader word study scope and sequence. It takes the guesswork out of independent practice, ensuring students are meaningfully applying what they just learned with you during word study instruction. In grades 3 through 5, word study gets incredibly complex as students encounter advanced morphology and multisyllable decoding. CC-PAL handles the logistical burden of providing a high volume of deliberate retrieval practice with responsive scaffolding. It builds the automaticity students need to master morphology, syntax, and build vocabulary. By strengthening these skills, students can focus on what matters most, making deep meaning from text. I hope this Being a Reader 2nd edition expanded unboxing video was helpful. We are always here to help you as you begin your journey. Once you are on the Learning Portal, we are just a click away. We look forward to supporting you.